Welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to guide you on how you can make extra money by just using people's music to create video on TikTok, on YouTube, and also on Instagram. So it's so simple. The name of the site or the app is known as sound.me. Okay, .com. Okay, so I've talked about this app I think in last 2022. Then again, I think I've created more than one video about this particular app. So if you're one person that been following my videos and watching, I know you know what I'm talking about. So for those who are new or you don't know anything at all, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, or this is the first time you're watching my video, kindly consider subscribing, liking the video, and also you can share with your friends who also want to learn on how they can make money online. And again, don't forget to put that notification bell on. Okay, so it's so simple. What you're gonna do here is so simple. As you can see, I'm using my TikTok. Okay, so you can connect the three platforms, that is TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, on the same app or on one app. So you can connect the three platforms so that you'll be getting campaigns. The task, we call them campaigns. Okay, so you'll be getting tasks on these three platforms, but as for me, I normally do campaigns on TikTok only. Okay, so I'm talking about something that I've done all these years, and I've done withdrawals. I think I did 3 withdrawals before they brought the app. So you cannot see the first 3 withdrawals I made before they developed the app, but you can see the latest 3 withdrawals that I did since they brought the app, or they created the app. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the real earnings and my balance now, and again what I've managed to withdraw since they brought the app. But I did withdrawal before when I was using the website, like the site itself, without a app, so they didn't update those ones on the app itself. Okay, so it's so simple. Connecting is so simple. You just gonna click on the link. I'm gonna put the link on the comment section and also on the description of the video. So if you have any question or maybe something you want to ask, I'm gonna put our WhatsApp group link on the description and comment section too, so you can reach me immediately. You join it as an admin, and again you can comment using the comment section. Okay, so you can see my balance. Let me show you my balance. So guys, you can see right here, this is my current balance I'm having. Okay, that is my earnings since they brought the app, because I wasn't that active. And you can see the balance I have right now. I'm having about $1.96. Immediately it reached $5. This section will be written in white, like get paid. Right now it is dull because I haven't reached the withdrawal limit. So the minimum withdrawal limit is $5. Okay, so let me show you the last transactions. You can see everything here is real. I like doing real things or sharing what I've done, so that you guys can see that it worked for me, and you too, you can try it and it will work for you. Because nowadays I know many people are doing social media, like you are on platforms whereby sometimes some of them don't pay you money. Okay, so nowadays Facebook pays, right? Even me, I'm monetized on Facebook. I can earn something from Facebook. Why don't you try at least make something and at least repay back the bundles or Wi-Fi you use? Okay, so you can see what this is what I was talking about. You can see the number of views I've got since they created the app. Some of them, if you don't follow the instructions, they will reject. I'm going to show you the example of rejections, and you can see the videos I've created since they updated the app. Okay, and you can see the last transactions that I've made so far. You can see through my PayPal. You can see everything is indicated there. Deck 2024, Deck 2024 24th, you can see 2024, that was the latest one. You can see this one was 2023, this one 2022. I've done 3 withdrawals before this app was brought, and you cannot see them here because So totally I've done 6 withdrawals so far from this app. Okay, so I started it when it was first launched. That is why I'm telling people, why don't you join something when it is still fresh? You're gonna grab some good opportunity out of it. And those people who are doing side income withdrawals are still pending until now. So don't do it anymore. Okay, so this one is still active. This one has been there since 2022 until today. It's still working, guys. So you can see anytime they have you have any new campaign, you'll see them under inbox. Then applied are these ones, the one you've applied. So you wanna, it's only that there are no campaigns they do. So keep on checking the app, because they do bring them every time. Sometimes they will notify you, sometimes they won't. They can bring they do like first come first serve. Okay, so you make sure you check on your app, and you can see after you have click on apply. I would have shown you that, but right now I have no any campaign here. Okay, maybe the next video I'm gonna do it while the campaign is there. So you can see applied. The ones have applied, you can see do not participate unless you have been approved. So once you have been approved, you can decline. If you don't want to perform the task, you can decline. But if you want, you'll have to wait for them to approve it. Then when it is approved, you'll be able to see instructions. So follow the instructions, read the instructions, and do as instructed according to the platform. If it is TikTok, if it is YouTube, if it is Instagram, so do as instructed. Then you're gonna paste copy the link of that video you made on under the song as instructed. Then you're gonna come with the link and paste it somewhere here in green. Then once the campaign has been approved, you'll be able to see a dash where you are supposed, or space where you're supposed to paste the link you copied from the video you made. Okay, so like here you can see all of them are still pending because they have not been approved. But sometimes if you are lucky enough, you'll be able to see like it will be approved immediately. Okay, so first come first serve. Okay, and again, amount of the amount that you're gonna be paid will depend with the views you get. Okay, so if you have big number on your platform, you're gonna get huge campaigns with huge amount of money or huge offers. Okay, so I can get $2 offer, but then you can get 10 and above. So it depends on the number of followers you have in that particular platform. Okay, I hope you understand. Then under active is whereby after you have applied, then you have been chosen to perform that campaign. You're gonna create the video, then come with the video, you put the link. After putting the link, it will be under active, so you will be able to track how many views you have so far and how much you've earned. So once the date has been reached, or the date has reached, if it is 20 today or 24th, you're gonna wait on 24th until they approve it. Then it will become after under completed. So you can see if it is declined, you'll be able to see declined here. Okay, so if it is allowed, you'll be able to see everything is here. So you can see everything. So if it is declined, you'll be able to see if it is allowed, and earnings will depend with the number of views you've got. Okay, so that is all you need to know. And also you can share if you want to see your balance, you go there. You can also share with your friends who wants to join you.